how to add a clickable link to Instagram bio. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add clickable link to Instagram bio. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, before starting anything, let's first copy the link that we need to add on our Instagram bio. So for that, you can just go to any website or the place where you have stored that particular link. And now here, once you are inside the wave of that particular thing where you want to copy the link, what you can do is you can just tap on the link side at the top, and there you can just copy that particular link. And once you have copied the link, you can simply open the Instagram app. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on edit profile button. And now here, once you're inside the section, you simply have to scroll down, and there you'll see the option labeled as links. So just tap on it. And now here in this section, you just need to select add link. And here on the next page, you simply have to paste the URL link that you have copied before. And here, if you like, you can simply give link a name too. Now here, once you're done with that, you can just tap on the tick icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And that's it. That's how you can add a clickable link to Instagram bio. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.